Hello everyone. So today I am going to talk about how anyone can learn anything, any skill without having any knowledge. So to prove my point, I am now trying juggling. So I don't know um, how to juggle, but I have these tennis balls. So I'll just try with this one. Basically, what we have to do right now, I don't know how to juggle. So basically, to learn any skill, what we have to do, we have to divide the big skill into small chunks. So obviously, in the end of this video, I'll try to juggle with these three balls. So, but let me first divide into three sections. First with one ball, then with two ball, and then in the last with three balls. Okay, so let me tell you, I haven't tried anything yet. So let's see. So to juggle, the first thing is, let me notice that it is recording. Yeah, it is recording. So first thing is that I have to try juggling with one ball. So just have to do this. So this is pretty much easy. But to learning isn't something about learning, it should be mastery. So I should be doing this learning thing, like juggling with one ball without any like subconsciously. Okay, so I have to do this 20 times. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so if I miss the ball, I have to start it again, since I haven't since this ball did not go down. So I'll just continue. So 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Okay, so it's happened. Now I have to start again. And another thing that we have to master, like we have to careful, like not looking at our hands, just looking above, and not looking at the hands. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. So I pretty much mastered this one thing. Let's go to two. So now for two, what I have to do, when this goes up, I think, okay, no, okay, so yeah, I have to do this. So once this ball goes down, I will throw this up. Okay, okay, throw this up, 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 throw this. Okay, I think I have done 15 16, but yeah, I have to do 20. So okay, let's start again. Focus. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, so I realized one more thing while throwing this up. So when I have to move this hands like this. See, so what is happening? Okay, so two things, not one. First, I have to move these hand like this, and second, do not throw ball away. So just throw like this. Okay, now with three balls. With three balls, I think I don't know how to do it. So I think it was mentioned that I have to throw this. I have to throw Okay. Okay. So I think this one is this. When this go down, I have to do this. But how to do this? Okay. 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 But three कैसे करना है? Okay. So I have to. Okay. Okay. So I have to. Okay. So जैसे ये आ जाएगा. Okay. So I have to look how to throw the balls because I'm not getting. One second. Okay, so I'm searching how to juggle with three balls. So that's the video that I'm seeing. Okay.
Start with one ball, and if you don't have that, you can always use some balled up socks, but try to get something that looks like a ball, and start by throwing it back and forth like this, whilst corners of this box. So once that's, you get your second ball, and you're probably going to have the instinct throw, throw, catch, catch, just like that. And they should go to an even peak. Throw, catch, catch, throw, catch, catch. Once you get good at that on both sides, you're finally ready to get your third ball. Start with two in your dominant hand, and you're going to start the exact same you just did. So this one first, throw, catch, catch. And just like with two, how you threw the second ball when the first one hit its peak, now you're going to throw the third ball when the second one hits its peak. So 1, 2, 3, stop. Once you get that, try to go for more and more throws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then eventually just go for 1, 2, 3, 4, and then once you get 6, catch, catch. And just like with two, how you threw the second ball when the first one hit its peak, now you're going to throw the third ball when the second one hits its peak. So 1, 2, 3, stop. Once you get that, try to go for more and more throws. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then
Okay.
eventually just go for 1, 2.
Great. So what I have to do? So first I'll throw this. When this one go here, I'll throw this. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. So 1, 2. I'm seriously not good in it. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, it is happening. Okay, great. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so what I have to do? 1, 2, 3. Great. So now what's happening? This ball is hitting this, and this is going up. Okay. So first we have to start with this ball. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again, let's see. This one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nice. One attempt. Now we'll master two. So let me master one only. Okay. So start with this. 1. Hey. Okay. Again. 1, 2, 3. Where is the ball? Now my ball is gone. I have anyway another one. So I have to look this one anyway. Okay, so 1. Okay, so this is not going correct. Look, wait, I have to find that one because this is not good ball. Yeah, got it. Great. So let's try with this, okay? Because all three balls should be same basically. 1. Okay. 1, 2. so much fun. Okay. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Now 1. Okay. Great. Great. Yeah. I have mastered 3. Okay. I just have to master this. Okay. So now I have done 2. So now let's 3. Okay. Now. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. 1 done. Okay. Nice. Okay. So don't throw up. Great. Great. It is happening. So basically, I proved my point that you can learn anything under 1 hour. You just have to enjoy yourself. Don't take any tension, because nobody is going to put you on jail if you don't learn to juggle, or nobody is punishing you if you don't juggle. So basically, whatever you want to learn, just have just have fun.